Hi and welcome. This is Anupam Sharma. This is BizRap, where I bring you news that you can use and news that is interesting. Today I'll talk about some news which you can use, of course. Okay, so first of all, I'll talk about this WhatsApp row which has struck everyone. Everyone is thinking should they keep WhatsApp or quit WhatsApp. Even I'm thinking what to do. Confederation of Indian traders has now approached the Supreme Court asking them to direct WhatsApp to not change its privacy policy. And they've also said that this body actually represents 70 million traders across the country. It's one of the topmost traders body in India, and it has also said that in fact WhatsApp should facilitate traders and small businesses especially who depend upon WhatsApp now and not change its privacy policy. WhatsApp was acquired by Facebook in 2014, and in 2016 it changed its privacy policy, wherein it had you know said that it would be sharing some of the data with Facebook for some advertising things. But what has happened now is that they are sharing more than some data. They are now even sharing the IP address. They are also sharing the battery level. They are also sharing the person who's using. They'll share. I given you the list in one of my previous videos that they are sharing much more data. And actually, it's like tracking a device. So this is not acceptable to the association and also anybody who's using WhatsApp currently. So they called that they should not enforce its obnoxious policy and sinister design on Indians, because they're not doing this in EU, which is Europe. So they have questioned why different rules for India and why different rules for Europe. Okay, so remaining with this WhatsApp thing, a survey was done wherein upon these policy changes, users were asked that whether they would stay with WhatsApp or they would leave WhatsApp. So out of this, only 18% said that they will continue to use WhatsApp, and around 36% said that they would reduce the usage of WhatsApp by them, and 15% said that they would completely stop using WhatsApp. They'll shift from WhatsApp. So this is one of the surveys, and people are shifting. They were also asked what they would do. So they said they would be shifting to Signal or Telegram. Okay, so it's like actually Signal got so many downloads during this from 5th January onward that the server actually crashed. They were not anticipating so many people will come and join them. So let's see where this WhatsApp saga goes. Okay, now this Home First Finance company is coming up with an IPO on 21st January, and its price band would be around 517 to 518 rupees, and a piece with a face value of 2 rupee each, and they are planning to raise money for further expanding. They're basically financing home loans in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and they are now planning to move into other cities also. They have so far financed 50,000 home loans, and they want to increase that number. So you can look out for this IPO also. Actually, IRFC happened on 18th Jan. It's open till 20 Jan. Then Indigo Paints is coming upon. Indigo Paints IPO is coming upon 20 Jan, and this IPO, this Home First Finance IPO is coming on 21st Jan. From 18th to 21st Jan, we have 3 IPOs. There's one good trivia which I want to share is that this year even Zomato, Nykaa, the women's cosmetic and beauty related company, Zomato, Nykaa, Delivery and Policy Bazaar are also likely to come up with IPO. So if you can't make up your mind in these three, just wait for there are more IPOs coming up. Policy Bazaar is a good one. Okay, now there was this messenger called Hike, if you remember, that has now shut down, and they would be continuing their Rush and their what is the other service, Vibe service. They would be continuing with these two. Rush is a gaming app, and Vibe is a community. You chat with people whom you invite. So it's a community chat kind of a thing, which is actually secure. So these two will continue, but Hike has been stopped. You can't see it on Google Play or iOS apps. Actually, the company was not seeming in a good shape from 2018 onwards. So anyway, apart from other things, we are talking about investment in stock market and IPOs. If you're not sure about IPOs, and if you don't are not into investing in IPOs, you can continue to invest in pharma, IT, FMCG, and mid caps. So because you need some expertise to invest in IPOs also. So well, you can, if you're a layman, if you're not too much, you do not know too much about where to invest, you can always go for these sectors. They are doing well. All of them are doing well. Pharma and IT rally are just continuing. They're just going on. Pharma will do well. It's like vaccinations are now around the corner. Not around the corner. They are happening now. So pharma and pharma related companies will do well. Vaccinations will continue for another 3-4 years, aram se. Okay, so you can bet on pharma. And IT rally is also continuing because of the pandemic. The IT sector just took off, and it will continue to take off. We are also talking digitally, by the way. So IT will do well. So you can invest in these sectors, and you can also aim for mid caps, because if you can't buy blue chip stocks, you can always go for mid caps. Mid caps are a little cheaper than blue chip, you must be knowing by now, and you can therefore buy more stocks, more shares in mid cap companies. Always go for good mid cap companies, and mid cap rally is around the corner. Experts believe that, and this year is good for mid caps. So you can invest in mid caps. So wait for your turn. Your turn will come soon. If you're not interested in these three IPOs, more IPOs are coming, and also if you're not into any IPO, then you can go for these certain segments where I just suggested you can invest in. So this is where I wrap today's Biz Wrap. I would come up with something special soon, and I will tell you that later, what is that special. But do share, subscribe, like my video. If you want me to talk about something special, you let me know in the feedback, and also share my video if you like it, and tell your friends about me, that I am doing videos, I am giving business information. So this is Anupam Sharma signing off, and do take care and remain cheerful. Vaccines are here, so get vaccinated.